Hey, I have this agent that is able to format my meeting minutes with a specific format I define in a Word document. And here's an example of the result. But what if some people like to have the meeting minutes in a Word document format? So now if I go in my agent here and I edit it, I can specify that I want a document to be an output. So my agent is very simple. And here you can see that now we can generate documents. So I can activate that and I can say in my instruction, please offer a link with a downloadable document, Word document with the meeting minutes. So I'm just going to change that and say update. So by the way, there's all new things that are coming here. Only use specify sources, so you can, change things like that. So maybe you want to trigger that. We don't want to look anywhere else. And I'm gonna update that. I'm not sure. I thought it was only using specified sources, but let's try to turn it on just to be sure. We'll see if it works. And as you can see, you can generate a Word document, an Excel file, a PowerPoint document. So I could, say also, make a presentation of that, and maybe we're gonna add that after. So now I can go to the agent. I'm gonna, no, it was which one was it? Which one did I use? Cup of tea, I think it was cup. No, it was not today. It's not this Friday. It was last Friday. Okay. So let's see what changed. What is changing now? And let's see if it does a good job. Apparently it takes more time, probably because it's creating a Word document. I guess that's the reason. I hope that's the reason. And that's my first try, so maybe the second time it's faster. I don't know. Let's be patient. Here something is coming. Okay. It's a bit slow, but okay, so I have the table here, but I don't have the link. It tells me sandbox. I also can. So it didn't work. So let's go back in my agents. I'm a bit stubborn here. Maybe I should say create a Word document and okay. I don't see why this is not working. Maybe the instructions need to be more precise. let's go back to the agent. Let's selection cup of tea 3 days ago. And maybe the agent didn't propagate correctly, so I'm not sure if it's the instruction or the time it takes to propagate. As you can see now, it's faster the second time. Still running. The icon shows it's still running. I can stop it to run. So apparently that was the problem. Let's see now the result. So I don't know why it downloaded the document when it's PowerPoint, and yes, it does the work. So now you can create documents. So let's try another thing here. The last thing is, let's make it create a PowerPoint presentation. So we'll see. And you're gonna see, I don't think when creating a PowerPoint document, it comes back to the old version of creating a PowerPoint document. So let's say create a Word document. So we're gonna say the same thing. So I'm not sure if I can do both at the same time, but we're gonna try. I'm gonna say create a PowerPoint deck, and please offer a downloadable PowerPoint file with the meeting minutes, and I'm gonna update that. And I could have done also the Excel file because it's a table. Now I'm there. Running it again. And let's see if it can do a PowerPoint. It can do both. So I'm not sure if I need to just generate one document. I'm not sure if it can do two different type of documents at the same time. So we'll see. Okay, apparently it can. Or at least it says it can. And as you saw, the Word document is not very super well formatted. It's not very advanced. I think it's using the old model to create documents. Probably in the future, you're going to have enhancement for that. And my guess is PowerPoint is the same thing. We'll see the result of creating a PowerPoint document. I don't think the PowerPoint document is going to be well formatted. It might be a square blank white theme, PowerPoint theme. It's doing some work. It's not telling me what it's doing. It's just telling me that it's analyzing. Again, this icon shows that it's still running. And now it should be good. So I have two links. So it can do two documents, two different type of documents. Oh no, I was wrong. It creates a PowerPoint presentation, put it in my OneDrive. Now Word, it's downloadable here, it's putting in OneDrive. And yeah, facilitated by me, meeting objective. Okay. Yeah. So as you can see, now you can change the light agent. So the one that you can create without going to Copilot Studio Full, but Copilot Studio Lite, just by asking to. So apparently you need to tell to first create the document and then provide a URL. And then you need to activate that. Hope this was insightful.